welcome back to our channel. My name is Richa. Today we are going to talk about digital marketing. Digital marketing majorly refers to any type of marketing efforts that includes online channels to reach out to their customers. Let's suppose if you are running an ad on search engine or you are running an ad on social media, you are actually engaged into a digital marketing activity because your main goal is to reach out to your customers so that they will know more about your brand and about your product. See, using digital marketing channels these days is a very important tool because this is the right way to reach out to your customer. Why digital marketing is important? Digital marketing is important because it gives us the ability to reach out to your target customers whenever they choose to spend their time online, and that is every brand major purpose while they do digital marketing, because everybody is looking for customers who can buy their product, who can promote their brand. So what is best than the internet, where millions of people are available every day and they are browsing Instagram, they are going through with search engine like Google, and they are making searches like what is the best laptop, what is the price of the laptop, and many things. So the people are spending more and more time online, which gives every company a equal opportunity to go and showcase their business to all of them. So moving to next question. The next question is how digital marketing help businesses become brands. So we have seen many brands where you must have heard all these names: Zara, Apple, Amazon, Flipkart, Uber. These are the brands which everybody knows. How this happened? See, digital marketing practices allow any business to boost their sales exponentially by making it more visible to the client. So the more client visibility is there, the more people know about the brand, the more people are tend to buy the product, and then they take customers' reviews very seriously. And after taking customer review, you can say that the mouth publicity also happen. But majorly digital marketing help these businesses to boost their sales tremendously. Also, it become more accessible to customers who are already looking for the product and services in their niche, because they are running ads specific to that, so that they can go and complete the requirements what they have in market. So many people ask us this question: why digital marketing is a good career option? So we have seen during COVID and post-COVID, many people have taken their businesses online. They always require digital marketer to help them to take their business to the next level. So yes, market is exponentially very much open for everyone, and you can make a good scope in digital marketing for many coming years, because digital marketing is irreplaceable. Now coming to, there is a good salary growth into it also, because you can become a freelancer, you can work for some party, or maybe you can work for some company and gain some experience, and then you can open up your own agency. There are multiple chances into digital marketing by which you can grow yourself. And the many important things, very much jobs are available. There are many companies who are hiring. As I said, many companies are available, are making their presence online. So they are looking for freelancers, they are looking for full-timers, they are looking for part-timers, which can help them to grow their business. So yes, go for it. This is a very good career option. So as this is an introductory program, we are going to cover up SEO, Google Ads, social media and YouTube. And with this, if we talk about from the digital marketing point of view, these are very important tools and modules which you should ideally know if you wanted to make yourself a successful digital marketer. Stay tuned for our next video, and if you have any query, you can give us a call on 8454029842, or you can visit our website, that is www.upsurgeinfotech.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet up in the next video. Thank you.